Good morning. It's Thursday, October 26th, about 6 a.m. Central Time. Overnight, the precious metals are firmer. You have December gold up $2, 19.97. December silver up 11 cents, 23.11. December copper up 1 at 3.60. And January platinum up 4 at 9.16. So some overnight news. You have Israel launches the next raid in Gaza in preparation for what they call the next stage. Few other things that came out, a couple of headlines here. We did have the United Auto Workers come up with an agreement, and I believe that that's what really got, in preparation of that, the platinum market pushing higher. You also saw palladium and aluminum all pushing higher on that kind of news. Now, some things that I'm watching here today, you have GDP expected at 4.5% on an annualized basis. They note that consumer spending and also travel are the main contributors to that upward revision. Whether or not good news is good news for the market, we're not sure. We're going to have to wait and see at this point. For a while, every time we would have stronger news that comes out or stronger economic data, we would see those expectations for additional interest rate hikes coming out, and the market would have a setback on that, specifically like the gold, the silver market, US dollar would have some strength, and US equities would come under pressure. But I don't think we're going to see that anymore. We have about a 6% chance that the Fed raises rates at the next meeting and about a 27% chance at the December meeting. I really think that the pause is here and it's here to stay. So a couple other things here that we're going to be watching: initial claims, durable goods, and then we have earnings report coming out from Intel and Amazon. Something that came out yesterday after the bell was Facebook came out much better than expected. We saw that the U.S. equities really lift off their lows. We saw Facebook up, and then as the day progressed and the overnight session progressed, the earnings call came out, and it was really downbeat. Facebook's down about 4% right now, so you do have U.S. equities under quite a bit of pressure at the moment. Now, looking at gold and silver specifically, gold is in a bullish trend, silver is in a neutral trend. Things that we're going to be watching here, obviously that 2,000 mark on the December gold. We've got to close above that and build after that in order to kind of sustain this rally. You have an easy position here or an easy level to watch if you are currently long in that market. If you do see a close below 1965, we'll most likely see a washout down to the 50-day moving average, which is 1929. Your trend reversal point is 1911, so that's making a big move higher here in the overnight session. Then if you look at the silver market, it's still neutral at the moment. You got to get above 23.42 really in order to break out. It's kind of been flirting on either side of the 50-day moving average. The next level of resistance is going to be 23.97. Your key levels of support about yesterday's low here. So you come into that about 23.80 level, and then below that's going to be 22.16. So the outside markets are mixed. You've got the crude oil market down to $1.59. You've got the December dollar up 28 at 106.63. U.S. equities down 33 points on the S&P 500, and then 10-year Treasury notes 4.98%. So really pushing higher here. So we'll see what we have in store. My partner Bill Baruch, he'll be on CNBC today. I'll be on Bloomberg in a few hours. So if you got any questions, give me a call, 312-858-7303. Remember, futures and option trading involves risk of loss, being unsuitable to all investors. Good luck and good trading.